Good morning, boys and girls. We are starting a brand new chapter in math today. This chapter, which is chapter 11, is going to be on geometry and volume. Your I can statement for the day is I can identify polygons by their classifications. So, what that means is that we're going to look at some different polygons. We're going to look at how many sides, angles, and vertices they have. Then, we're going to learn what a regular polygon is, what an irregular polygon is, and we're going to practice identifying some shapes. And then, you're going to practice some on your own as well. So, let's jump right in. Our first polygon is a triangle. A triangle has three sides, and if you look, the sides are the lines on the outside. That's how you count the sides. It has three angles. The angles are the measure of where two lines meet. And vertices, it also has three vertices, and that is where two lines actually meet. So if I have two lines that meet, where my fingers are touching is the vertice, and the degree or the measure from this finger to this finger is the angle. And you'll notice a trend with our polygons. If they have three sides, they're going to have three angles and three vertices. So all of our sides, angles, and vertices equal or are the same, which kind of makes this easy, right? Okay, a quadrilateral has four sides, four angles, and four vertices. Here are your sides, here are your angles, and then the point where two lines meet is your vertice. A pentagon has five sides, five angles, and five vertices. A hexagon has six sides, six angles, and six vertices. A heptagon has seven sides, seven angles, and seven vertices. An octagon, y'all might know what a stop sign looks like. It's actually an octagon, has eight sides, eight angles, and eight vertices. A nonagon has nine sides, nine angles, and nine vertices. I think you kind of get the pattern by now, right? And lastly, a decagon has 10 sides, 10 angles, and 10 vertices. It's a little hard to see. I'll see if I can make it bigger. But this shape does have 10 sides. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're small, but they're there. Now we're going to talk about a regular polygon versus an irregular polygon. So a regular polygon has all equal sides. That means that all the sides are the same length. An irregular polygon has no equal sides. That means not any of the sides are the same length. So we're going to practice with two different shapes. We're first going to tell what type of polygon it is. Then we're going to decide if it's regular or irregular. So let's look at this first polygon. Well, we're going to see how many sides, angles, and vertices it has. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That means it also has four angles and four vertices. So let's go back up to our chart. Four sides, four angles, and four vertices is a quadrilateral. So we're going to type in our box, the type of polygon is a quadrilateral. Okay, now we have to determine, is it irregular or regular? Well, a regular polygon has all equal sides, and a regular polygon has no equal sides. You may be saying, well, Miss Sally, I don't know if those sides are equal or not. Guys, you see these little lines right here? The really cool thing about those lines is that they tell you if those lines are equal. Since all of our sides have one line, that means they're all the same length. If you saw a shape and it looked like this, that means that the sides with one line are equal and the sides with two lines are equal. But on this shape, it had one line on all four sides, which means, Miss Solly just made the whole sheet go away. Let's see if I can fix that really quick. Which means that all four sides are equal. And we know that if all four sides are equal, that means that we have a regular polygon. Alrighty, let's look at this shape right here. We see that this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, which means that it also has 5 angles and 5 vertices. Do you remember what shape has 5 sides, 5 angles, and 5 vertices? That's right, guys, a pentagon. So this shape is a pentagon. And now we need to determine if it's regular or irregular. Well, we know that these two sides are the same length, but these three do not have any lines on them. So that tells us that they are not the same length, which means that this shape is actually an irregular polygon because all of the sides are not the same length. You will have a short visor assignment right below this video to get to practice these skills. Remember, there are fillable notes, so you can print them out and fill out these notes as I'm taking the video. You can go back and watch it again and fill them out, or you can take notes on notebook paper so that they can help you study for your test and help you with your assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for our next lesson.